Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from One Tech Stop, and I received the Whitestone Dome S10 Plus screen protector. I'm going to do a installation right now to try and put this thing together. I stand by Whitestone Dome and their screen protectors. They're amazing. I use them for my S9. I used it for my Note 9, and they are tremendous. I mean, not just because of the way they look on it, but the touch sensitivity on these are amazing. I've used other third-party screen protectors with this curved glass, and you know, you have to turn on the setting inside the phone for extra sensitivity. They usually have a little adhesive that goes around the edges, and a lot of dust still accumulates. But with the Whitestone Dome, I've never experienced that at all. So we're going to try and put this together now. So be patient with me, guys. I'm a little nervous whenever I do these. We need to have a flat surface, so when we apply the adhesive, it centers itself and it will spread out evenly across the device. So let's try this. I'm going to take off the screen protector that Samsung applied on the new S10. If I could, it's off. Okay. That's going to be the first step. Let's open this up. And we'll get everything that we need because it comes with a lot of stuff. I also have to get a portable charger for the UV light rays. If I'm correct, it should be in here, yes. This cures the adhesive onto the device. If I could get the USB in, we'll be good to go. Now I'll get my portable charger. Now the first thing we do, take this top part off. These are the adhesives. Take the S10 and we put it in its place, and if you could see up here, it shows you S10 Plus, so this is the right way up. I'll do it sideways so we can see better. This is the actual screen protector. This is the little tape that we get, and we put it over the speaker grill. That will cover any adhesive that might get into the speaker grill. Okay, we take our alcohol swab as well as our cleaning cloth. Wipe down our screen. I mean, we could do it both ways. We could take it off and wipe it down. We could leave it in and wipe it down. Wipe down our screen. We'll dry it off just to make sure everything's clean, and you try to stay in a dust-free environment, which is almost impossible, but try to get a dust-free screen. We also have our dust remover, so we take that, put it over, then we take our other piece here and we lay it over the device. We have this little clip that goes into place here, protects the screen protector. As you tip it, then you pull it out when the the adhesive gets centered, and then you drop down the screen protector. So then what we do, this fits into two slots. You open the adhesive color side first, and you put it in, then you open this end, and the liquid should drip out, as it does. You take your screen protector, you pull it off, and you lay it down like this. You tilt it until it gets centered, and now you pull this out, and it should spread evenly, hopefully, throughout the device. So it's not at the bottom yet. I'm hoping I did not do something wrong. Seems like it's taking a little longer than it should. I don't know if I'm on an uneven space, but I just want to get it to fully expand. I don't know if you see that little corner is not filled yet, so we're waiting here. I don't want to make things look easier than what they really are, so this is why we're doing it this way. Still going, it's filling up. Now I think we're done. I'll remove this top. I'll remove the device. I'll get my little alcohol pad and, oh shoot, that wasn't good. That's right, I shouldn't have did that. Got to cure it. That's what I got to do. So take this on. It's 15 seconds. See, I want to step ahead, so it's really, sorry guys, it's 15 seconds for the top, then 15 seconds for the bottom. Oh man, I'm doing good today. From here, we do a full, I think, minute. I'll double check the instructions. I'm going on the blind because I did this before, but I think it's a full minute at the end. Now a full minute on the bottom, and then I should be able to wipe. And that was actually my mistake before, guys, so do not wipe it down before curing it. Well, we'll see how it comes out. Okay. Now we should be able to, should be able to wipe it down now like we can. Yes, get off all that excess glue and everything else that's on here. Whitestone dome screen protector. And I haven't even set up my device yet, so I'm gonna set it up. We're going to check to see if we can use this fingerprint scanner. Let's try to get right to it. It's actually a great fit. If there's any mistakes, it's obviously my fault with it, but seems to be fine.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more.
Now we're up to our fingerprint. Continue, scan your fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor, then lift it off when you feel a vibration. So let's try this. Not reading anything right now. Let me try this one. Oh, wait, here it goes. Okay. I wasn't pressing hard enough, actually. And this is with the Whitestone dome now fully applied. So reposition your finger each time to continue. Okay. Okay. Now let's test it. There it goes. We'll do it again. Some say you just have to tap it. Okay, seems to be working. Yes, it's working. So Whitestone Dome is actually telling the truth. It works. Sorry for the long-winded video. I just wanted to make sure everything was working properly. Thank you for watching. This is Lenny from One Tech Stop signing off.